Welcome to our video on essential tips for first-time travelers in Japan. If you're planning a trip to this beautiful and culturally rich country, you're in for an unforgettable experience. In this video, we'll cover key travel tips that will help you navigate Japan's unique customs, transportation systems, and local etiquette. From understanding the importance of bowing to mastering the art of using public transport, we'll ensure you're well prepared for your adventure. Japan is a land where tradition meets modernity, and being prepared will enhance your journey. So, whether you're exploring bustling Tokyo or serene Kyoto, these tips will help you immerse yourself in the culture and make the most of your visit. Let's dive in. Learn basic Japanese phrases. One of the best ways to enhance your travel experience in Japan is by learning some basic Japanese phrases. Simple expressions like arigato for thank you and sumimasen for excuse me can go a long way in showing respect for the local culture. Not only does it help in better communication, but it also demonstrates your appreciation for the language. Many locals will be delighted to hear you making an effort. To make things easier, consider using language apps that provide quick references and pronunciation guides while you're on the go. With just a little practice, you'll find that these phrases can open doors to more meaningful interactions during your journey. So, let's get started. Understand Japanese etiquette. Understanding Japanese etiquette is crucial for a respectful and enjoyable visit. One of the most significant customs is bowing, which serves as a traditional greeting and shows respect. The deeper the bow, the more respect is conveyed. Another important practice is removing your shoes before entering someone's home. This is a sign of cleanliness and respect for the living space. When it comes to dining, there are specific etiquettes to follow as well. For instance, never stick your chopsticks upright in a bowl of rice, as this resembles a funeral ritual. Instead, place them on the designated holder. By being mindful of these cultural norms, you'll not only avoid faux pas but also enrich your experience in Japan. Get a Japan Rail Pass. If you're planning to explore Japan, getting a Japan Rail Pass is a smart move. This pass allows unlimited travel on Japan Rail, Junior, trains, making it incredibly convenient for hopping between cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. Not only does it save you time, but it's also cost-effective for long-distance travel, as individual tickets can add up quickly. To purchase the pass, you can buy it online before your trip or at select locations in Japan. Once you arrive, activating the pass is simple. Just visit a JR ticket office with your passport and reservation details. With the Japan Rail Pass in hand, you'll have the freedom to explore the country at your own pace, making your journey even more enjoyable. Cash is king. When traveling in Japan, it's essential to remember that cash is still king. While credit cards are accepted in many larger establishments, smaller shops, restaurants, and local markets often do not take them. This makes carrying cash crucial for a smooth experience. To ensure you have enough yen, consider withdrawing cash from ATMs that accept foreign cards, which are commonly found in convenience stores like 7-Eleven and Family Mart. Having cash on hand is especially convenient when exploring local markets and indulging in delicious street food, where vendors typically prefer cash transactions. By being prepared with cash, you'll have the freedom to enjoy all that Japan has to offer without any payment hassles. Respect public spaces. When traveling in Japan, it's vital to respect public spaces to enhance your experience and show appreciation for local customs. One key aspect is keeping noise levels down, especially on public transport. Speaking softly and avoiding loud conversations helps maintain a peaceful atmosphere for everyone. Additionally, it's considered impolite to eat while walking, so try to enjoy your meals at designated areas or restaurants. This practice reflects the Japanese value of mindfulness and respect for food. Lastly, always dispose of your trash properly, as public bins can be scarce. Carry a small bag for your waste until you find a suitable place to throw it away. By following these simple guidelines, you'll contribute to the cleanliness and harmony of Japan's public spaces. Try local cuisine. One of the highlights of visiting Japan is exploring its diverse culinary offerings. Be sure to try authentic sushi, savory ramen, and delicious okonomiyaki for a true taste of Japanese cuisine. Each dish offers a unique flavor profile and cultural significance. For an even more authentic experience, visit local izakayas, where you can enjoy a variety of small plates and drinks in a casual setting. These establishments often serve dishes that reflect regional specialties and seasonal ingredients. Don't shy away from adventurous eating, either. Street food at festivals is a must-try, with options like takoyaki and yakitori that are both delicious and fun to eat. Embrace the culinary journey, and you'll create unforgettable memories in Japan. Use public transportation. Navigating Japan's efficient public transport system is a breeze once you know the basics. Trains, subways, and buses are well connected and easy to use, making them the best way to explore cities. Start by familiarizing yourself with the train and subway lines, which are clearly marked in both Japanese and English. To make your journey smoother, consider downloading apps for route planning and schedules, such as Google Maps or Japan Transit Planner. These tools will help you find the quickest routes and keep track of departure times. One of the standout features of Japan's public transport is its punctuality and cleanliness, ensuring a pleasant travel experience. By using public transportation, you'll not only save money but also immerse yourself in the local culture. Stay connected. Staying connected while traveling in Japan is essential for a smooth experience. One of the best options is to rent a pocket Wi-Fi device, which provides reliable internet access for multiple devices on the go. Alternatively, you can purchase a local SIM card that fits your phone, allowing you to stay connected without relying on public Wi-Fi. Having internet access is crucial for navigation, as it helps you find your way around cities and locate attractions easily. Additionally, using translation apps can significantly enhance communication, making it easier to interact with locals and understand menus or signs. By ensuring you have a reliable connection, you'll feel more confident exploring Japan and making the most of your adventure. Explore beyond Tokyo. While Tokyo is a vibrant metropolis filled with endless attractions, venturing beyond the city opens up a world of unique experiences. Consider visiting Kyoto, known for its stunning temples, traditional tea houses, and beautiful gardens that showcase Japan's rich history. Osaka, famous for its street food and lively atmosphere, offers a different flavor of Japanese culture, with attractions like Osaka Castle and Universal Studios Japan. Don't miss Hiroshima, where you can learn about its poignant history and visit the Peace Memorial Park. For those looking for day trips, Mount Fuji is a must-see, offering breathtaking views and hiking opportunities. By exploring these destinations, you'll gain a broader understanding of Japan's diverse culture and landscapes, making your trip even more memorable. Visit temples and shrines. Exploring Japan's rich spiritual heritage is a must for any traveler. Iconic sites like Fushimi Inari Taisha in Kyoto, famous for its thousands of vibrant torii gates, and Sensoji in Tokyo, the oldest temple in the city, offer profound insights into Japanese culture and spirituality. When visiting these sacred places, it's essential to respect local customs, such as bowing at the entrance and maintaining a quiet demeanor. Participating in traditional rituals can enhance your experience. For instance, try omakuji, where you draw fortune slips to gain insights into your future. Engaging with these practices not only deepens your understanding of Japan's spiritual traditions but also allows you to connect with the local culture in a meaningful way. Be mindful of seasonal changes. Japan's distinct seasons greatly impact travel experiences, each offering its own unique beauty. Spring is renowned for the breathtaking cherry blossoms, which create stunning landscapes across the country, while autumn showcases vibrant foliage that transforms parks and mountains into a colorful tapestry. When planning your trip, be sure to pack appropriate clothing for varying weather conditions, as temperatures can fluctuate significantly between seasons. Additionally, Japan hosts numerous seasonal festivals and events that are worth attending, such as Hanami, flower viewing, in spring, and Momiji, autumn leaves, festivals in fall. These celebrations provide a wonderful opportunity to immerse yourself in local culture and traditions. Stay in a ryokan. For a truly immersive experience in Japanese culture, consider staying in a ryokan, a traditional Japanese inn that offers a unique blend of hospitality and comfort. Ryokans feature tatami mats and futons, providing a cozy and authentic atmosphere that transports you back in time. One of the highlights of staying at a ryokan is enjoying keizeki meals, a multi-course dining experience that showcases seasonal ingredients and exquisite presentation. Additionally, many ryokans are located near onsen, hot springs, offering the perfect opportunity to relax and rejuvenate in natural mineral waters. Staying in a ryokan not only enhances your travel experience but also allows you to appreciate the beauty of Japanese traditions. Shop for souvenirs. When visiting Japan, shopping for souvenirs is a delightful way to bring a piece of the culture home with you. Popular items include matcha, the finely ground green tea that embodies Japanese tradition, as well as beautiful ceramics that showcase the country's craftsmanship. Traditional crafts, such as origami paper and hand-painted fans, also make for meaningful gifts. To find unique treasures, be sure to explore local markets, where you can discover one-of-a-kind items that reflect the region's heritage. Supporting local artisans and businesses not only helps the community but also ensures that your souvenirs have a story behind them. By choosing thoughtful souvenirs, you'll create lasting memories of your journey through Japan and share a piece of its culture with friends and family. In this video, we've covered essential tips for first-time travelers in Japan, from learning basic Japanese phrases to navigating the efficient public transport system. We discussed the importance of respecting local customs, exploring beyond Tokyo, and experiencing traditional hospitality by staying in a ryokan. Preparation is key to ensuring a memorable trip, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in Japan's rich culture and stunning landscapes. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts.